This video shows how I created my 300th light plant light painting photo. Preparation before starting involved mounting the camera on a tripod, setting the camera exposure, manually focusing the lens, setting up the light painting tools, and enabling the camera's remote. The exposure was started with the remote. The first light and tool combination was the Ants on a Melon RGB Critter BT connected to two 8-inch sabres and a mini triangle blade. I've set the Critter to momentary mode so it only emits light when I'm pressing down the power button. These floral swirls are Art Nouveau inspired, quite a popular technique with light painters. I'll note that this is a recreation with some added light. These light paintings are usually performed in minimal light. Time to swap over to the second light and tool combination, an RGB Critter 2 with acrylic writer. These can be used to create fine light trails. I hold them still for a few seconds at the end of each light trail to create a starburst effect. The final light and tool combination was an RGB Critter BT, this time with a bit whip. I waved these around close to the ground to create the desired effect. At the end of the light painting, I stopped the exposure using the remote. I was pretty happy with this result. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe and check out my website. Thank you for watching.